Welcome to this tutorial on FormGent, the ultimate WordPress plugin for creating AI-powered forms. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step-by-step through the entire process, from installing the plugin to creating, customizing, and publishing your forms. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced WordPress user, FormGent can help you build professional-looking forms in just minutes. Let's start by installing the FormGent plugin. To install the plugin, from your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins menu and click on Add New. In the search bar, type FormGent and hit Enter. Once you find the FormGent plugin, click on Install Now to begin the installation. After the installation is finished, click on Activate to start using the plugin. Let's create your first form using FormGent's AI capabilities. Start by going to the FormGent menu in your dashboard and clicking on All Forms. Next, select Create New to begin building a new form. For this tutorial, we will use the Create with AI option to leverage FormGent's artificial intelligence for form creation. Choose the AI Classic Form option. In the Describe the Goal of Your Form box, provide a brief description of the form's purpose, keeping it under 500 characters. For example, you could write, "Create a job interview form for a WordPress development company." Once you've entered your description, click Generate Form. FormGent's AI will then create a fully functional form based on your prompt in just seconds. The form has been designed as a single page with separate fields or questions. You can either use this generated form as is or modify it to fit your needs. Before we begin making any changes to the form, let's review it to identify what adjustments might be necessary. To do this, navigate to the View icons in the upper right corner and click on Preview in a new tab. Let's add a new field to our form. In the FormGent editor, you will see a Blocks menu on the left side. Drag and drop the number block from this menu to the desired position in your form. Rename the field to Years of Job Experience. Next, we will customize the settings for this new field. Click on the field to access its settings in the right-hand menu. You can adjust options such as label alignment, from left to justify. You also have the option to select the number format for this field. Choose either decimal or non-decimal based on your preference. To make this field mandatory, enable the Required option. Additionally, you can set limits for the input by defining the minimum and maximum values. To provide users with a helpful hint, add a field placeholder, such as only numbers. For further clarity, you can also add a sublabel below the field. For example, you might choose Total Years of Job Experience as the sublabel. For advanced users, you can explore options like Default Value and Field Name. These settings allow you to assign default values or customize the field names for integration purposes. Now, let's customize the overall design and appearance of your form. Click on the Design and Share button located in the upper right corner of the editor. To make your form more visually appealing, enable the Show Cover option. You can choose a solid color or gradient color, or you can upload a custom image for the cover. To strengthen brand recognition, enable the Show Logo option and upload your website's logo. You can also display the form title by turning on the Show Title option. For this example, let's change the title to Job Application Form. Finally, you can adjust the overall width of the form using the slider. Make sure your form displays well on all devices. Utilize the desktop and mobile views to modify the form's appearance as needed. We have one option that hasn't been enabled yet: Enable Share. Currently, we cannot share the form because it has not been published. Once we complete all the customizations, we will publish the form, after which we will be able to share or embed it on any WordPress website. In our next video, we will demonstrate how to embed the form. Now that we have completed all our customizations, it's time to publish the form. You can do this by navigating to the form in the right side menu bar, where you can change the status and visibility of the form among several options: Draft, Pending, Private, Scheduled, and Published. In the Scheduled and Published statuses, you will have the option to set the date and time for when you want the form to be available to the public. You can also customize the form's URL in the link section. Alternatively, you can click the Publish button located in the upper right corner. This action will open a new menu window where you can choose the visibility options, public or private, For now, we will select Public, and you can also specify the publish time. After selecting both options, click the Publish button. Once the form is published, you will receive a form address that you can copy, share with others, or embed on any WordPress web page. To unlock advanced features, let's install the FormGent Pro version. Go to Plugins, Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Upload Plugin and select the FormGent Pro plugin zip file that you downloaded from the FormGent website. Click Install Now and then Activate to enable the Pro version. To access the Pro settings, edit a form and go to the General Settings section. With the Pro version, you can remove the FormGent branding from your forms. In the Form Confirmation section, you can customize confirmation messages and redirect users to a specific page after they successfully submit the form. You also have the option to hide or reset the form after submission through these settings. In the Email Notifications section, you can enable or disable email notifications for form submissions. The Webhooks section allows you to integrate FormGent with other platforms using webhooks, which also requires the Pro version. A separate tutorial will provide more detailed information on webhook integration. To access the general settings, go to FormGent in your dashboard and click on Settings. In the General Settings section, you can manage features such as IP logging, enable or disable it according to your privacy needs. The Security and Protection section allows you to enhance form security by enabling honeypot protection to help prevent spam submissions. Additionally, in the Validation section, you can customize the error messages displayed when users enter invalid data. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to create and customize powerful forms using the FormGent plugin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorials and tips. Visit the FormGent website linked in the description below to learn more and download the plugin. Thank you for watching and happy creating!